So we just did a little section of the Gotcha Trail here at Elbe, and now we're gonna go on the Swamp Trail, and it says recommended tire size 36s or more. We're the big tires of the group. We're on 32s, and we're gonna go try it out and see if we can get stuck. We'll see you guys out there. Dad, you wanna swap to your 36s real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, Ed. Cool.
All the way covered. His tires. Yeah.
He's running cable.
Swamp Trail might have done Robert dirty. You guys' feet are muddy.
Mine are. I haven't touched it yet. Oh yeah! Let's go dip the toe!
I was considering it, but it looks like it just gets worse.
That's not deep at all. Look at how it ripples on there.
Oh.
I know, I was almost coming out of it.
Yeah, that's almost.
Oh my god.
Robert was like, I'll just dip my toe in. And then...
Hey, Robert.
Yeah.
You need something to pull you out?
Yeah.
There you go.
I got a little deep.
Let's go of his hand.
Oh,
This is where doors come in.
No, because it wouldn't flow through.
Just the more he like kept going backwards, it's just like,
I love
just kept going.
Dude, Elbe sucks, man.
Yeah, there's one trail bullshit. All these trail signs.
They all go to the same trail.
Notice on this trail says recommended 35.
Yeah,
Or
it's all 35s, yeah.
Should we try it? Yeah. Biggest tire is 32.
Yeah.
Scott, what are you running?
Definitely sponsored by Yankum Brooks. Here we go.
Here we go!
Lock it up.
Oh.
George, hold on.
Right.
Don't let it get muddy.
shut off?
Got your dad.
Oh, we made it through just barely.
I think it's gonna do.
Oh, you're good.
That was this part right there. Don't drop the pin in the tube.
Robert, right here, you're good.
No, your dad was wanting to go forward. See what happens when we just dip the toe?
In 36-inch tire trail.
Somebody's gonna get wet.
Fuck you. It's gonna be Avery. Yeah.
This stuff's nice. How's it going, Scott?
Jose.
Hey, Dad. So what I did is I went up that and dropped down and going straight.
On this side of the tree? My way?
Yeah, on this side of the tree. You're gonna scrape coming down, but then Noel can get out. Yeah, wait till he gets out of the way.
Go to that tree. You're right there.
Got it.
Hey, hey. Carefully.
Hey, Dad, hold on. Let's get Noel's picture. You're out of the way.
Somebody to come up here.
Well, I think my front end's gonna come up. I think it's gonna go that way.
Well, where's your high side right here?
Okay, wait a little further.
Yeah, go ahead.
You're right there. Hey, George, can you pick up that tree now and move that one over the way? Come back. Over there.
Hey, you have a weight that
We did high side
Back up.
too.
Well,
I'm wondering if I could have him winch my back end that way. That way I could drain the pool in this here. In here.
Open the door, it'll drain.
You want to parts in that thing? Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
No, he's not gonna get pulled from there. I think he's gonna go back.
There you go. I'm working this way. Yep.
You guys done fucking around?
I want to ride.
See, this is why I don't want to go to Elbe.
Down.
Stand around all the time.
Down.
Elbe Swamp Trail. It's going down.
Oh, yeah!
This is the line that he broke it on.
Pipe.
I don't know where to put my...
Daniel, drive over this rock.
That one?
There you go.
I just hate when it sets down on the body.
So you're gonna go up now, on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Now turn towards me. Towards me. More. This is a big rock on that side. Yep. Drive out of it. That's it. You might belly out.
That's kind of what I was nervous about.
No, you won't. Yeah, you will.
No.
You would have to bump that.
I don't want to fix it. I'll be a bitch about it.
You have a lot of air under there.
Robert, that's a felony!
Daniel, try right here, up this pipe. Oh God. Hey, hold on. You popped that pipe out behind you. Maybe you'll slide back?
Don't do Daniel thing.
Here. Can you try backing up again?
They'll try. Yeah, Jay, if I back up, it puts a lot of pressure on that front and I don't want to snap something.
You're a foot up in the air on that tire.
Go forward again, get that pressure off the pipe.
Alright, it's dropping right now. Is the bumper gonna hit? Maybe.
Yes.
stuff.
Put a bunch of pennies in there so it rattles. You're gonna tear up the ring and you're gonna have to get a new one.
Daniel, what are we doing?
We're looking like some hillbillies right now.
You just messed it up. No?
Well, I got a little too rowdy on that one there.
Hey Josh, just so you know, if I ever saw a quad that looked like you, it's that.
I want to ask them to get one more rev limiter for the YouTube channel.
Guaranteed. Joshua! Hey, we need one more limiter for
Alrighty guys, I want to give a thank you to Chris for letting us borrow your truck. But Elbe was sick and we'll be back here in a couple months. We're out.
I got myself in a predicament.